Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a little bit of a struggle. I'm exhausted. I have been up since 3 in the morning and it is only 8 a.m. I am exhausted. So I wanted to do something to just kind of put myself together. I am that person that if I don't change, that if I don't, do something with my hair, that if I don't have any makeup on, I will feel how I look. So if I look tired, if I look like I'm ready to go back to bed, that's how I feel all day. So I changed. A little quick tip that I should have mentioned in my video is something I like to do is I wear a lot of dresses, and it's not because I'm like, oh, I'm so feminine, blah, 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 blah. It has nothing to do with that. Dresses for me are easy. I don't need to look for a shirt. I don't need to look for a bottom. I don't need to put an outfit together. It is just one piece that I throw on. It's gonna be another hot day in Chicago, so I figured throw a summer dress on, throw a little bit of makeup on, and get your day rolling. So if you guys want to see what a quick and easy makeup tutorial is, or if you're looking to explore a quick and easy makeup routine, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just trying to survive. It has been such a long morning. I got up at 3 a.m. I couldn't sleep. So today's look is just trying to look like we're surviving. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and I have 4W1 Tawny. This was a shade I was matched to on Sephora Shade Match tool. So I'm just going to take this. I think I'm gonna apply this with my hands. Let's just do it. Wow, this has like no coverage. I thought I was gonna have more than this, but it literally has like no coverage. However, it does apply beautifully. It does set quickly, but there's no coverage on this mofo. I'm gonna take some of this NARS medium dark, what is this called? Tinted Glow Booster. I'm gonna mix some of this in with some more of that moisturizer. I took quite a bit, so I'm hoping that it will help build some of that coverage, because there's nothing. For that, I would have just worn a moisturizer. Yeah, there we go. So this definitely gave me a ton of glow. It gave me more coverage than what the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer gave me. Like, at least now my skin looks even, but it required a lot of effort. I'm a little disappointed in the Laura Mercier. I thought it was going to have more coverage than what it had. I appreciate how it absorbed into the skin, but I just was hoping to get more out of it. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever concealer in 3.4. I am liking the way my skin looks right now with just the Glow product by NARS. Like, I like the way that it looks, but I thought that I was going to get more out of that Laura Mercier product. Like, I know that it's a tinted moisturizer, so I know it's not going to be like full-blown coverage, but I was hoping to get light to buildable coverage, and yeah, I wasn't getting any of that. I should have done my concealer first. I'm just not thinking, guys. I am not thinking. With this Makeup Forever concealer, I ordered some shades that I'm guessing are going to be more to my liking. I got 3.2, 3.3, and 3.4, and these are all very similar, and they're very light. And I've been wearing this formula now for 3 days. I'm going to tell you guys that I think I like the formula. The color just throws me off. So I'm gonna have to wait and see what the other shades look like before deciding how I feel about it. But I think it's not bad, right? I do like the way my skin looks with the mixture of the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer with the NARS Glow Boost. I do like the way it looks. But I feel like, come on, you should have delivered. It's Laura Mercier. I'm going to take this Mineralized Skin Finish Natural by MAC in medium tan, and I am going to do a light dusting of this all over just to set and even out my really bright under eye. So basically I'm just doing it to even out my skin. This does give a little bit of coverage, not a ton, but again, it's all within the, I'm trying to combat this exhaustion and look like I'm actually making it today. So I've been wanting this massager thing. Nope. All right, guys, on days where I'm just trying to do enough to where I feel good about myself, but I'm not, you know, my normal self, I guess, I don't go in with my regular mascara, which right now is the Anastasia mascara. I always use a primer, but I actually just go in with Extended Play Giga Black Lash, and the reason is because it defines my lashes without being too extra. So when I'm not wearing my full-blown foundation routine, I like to keep everything pretty natural looking. Again, you guys saw that I went in with a tinted moisturizer, so I don't want to add, you know, these really full dramatic lashes when the makeup doesn't call for it. If it's in your little heart to wear full-blown lashes, whether it be mascara, your extensions, falsies, do you. For me personally, if I'm keeping my makeup natural, then I want to keep the rest of my face in line with that. So I'm going for more natural lash. And again, this does a nice job at just enhancing my natural lashes without being too much. Something that I always do is I always apply bronzer. I will skip blush, but I will never skip bronzer. So I'm going to go in with Charlotte Tilbury Tan. And the reason is that I would rather look bronze than have color on my cheeks. I just feel like that to me is more natural than to add like a pink blush or an orange blush. I love it, don't get me wrong, but bronzer over blush any day. And I feel like adding bronzer is still adding color back to your face, if that makes any sense. Like, I can have a bronze blush, right? So, I don't know, that's my reasoning. All right, so something else that is important for me on days like this is to wear my hair up or down. So I can either do like a sleek ponytail, a bun, you know, really at this point you have to decide, do you feel, you know, more polished and put together when your hair is up, when it's pulled back? Like, do what feels more put together for you. I have been wearing my hair up a ton, and I told you guys in a recent video that I am losing a ton of hair because I'm wearing my hair up all the time. So I'm going to wear my hair down today. Here's my little nugget. Hola! Okay, so for my lips today, I'm gonna take That's Why She's Late by Patrick Ta. All right, guys, and that's it. Adding a bold lip or a bright lip is always going to just make you look more polished and put together. I'll tell you guys that if you're not someone that feels comfortable wearing like a ton of color or something as bright or as bold as what I have on, you can always blot your lips and just have a little bit of a stained effect. Or you can go in with a lipstick that is sheerer but still bright. Really figure out, you know, how to incorporate a little bit of color into your lip, because that really does help just kind of brighten up your face and make it look like you tried a little bit. So that is it for today, guys. I could go in with a little bit of blush or highlighter, but I have a workout that I need to get done this morning. Let's just add a little bit of highlighter. My goal, I'm going to take this RMS Living Luminizer and just add a little bit right here. My goal today is to try and film 2 videos for you guys. So this is one of them. The other one, I'm going to guess that my hair will probably be up. I have mascara here, so I'm just going to take whatever's on my finger and rub it off. So I'm going to try it, and my guess is the next video my hair will be up in a ponytail. I sweat so much during my workouts that there's just no way. Look at how pretty that looks. It's very soft and natural. Okay, me's homies, that's all I have for you guys today. We have mustered up some energy and have made ourselves look more put together, ready for the day, even though I feel a little slow. Like I feel, you know how when you're tired and you kind of feel like a little groggy? That's where I'm at. But I'm gonna have another cup of coffee and I'm gonna get my day started and I'm gonna get through my morning workout. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe. I do upload 3 videos a week and you shouldn't miss any of them. And make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know if you have any requests or questions. Lastly, you think you can like this video? It helps my channel. Please. Thank you guys so much and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.